Hi, welcome back. I am IB Examiner Adam Crossley, and I will talk you through the overall structure and how to take the strategies we learned in the earlier videos about how to address and analyze the extracts and body of work and how to stretch that across your entire analysis. This video will bring you through the overall structure and timing of the 10 minutes so that you can feel confident and offer you final tips as you prepare for your individual oral. This is the planner that we have worked our way through in the previous videos. You can watch through those videos and see the analysis of how the global issue is analyzed in the extract and then in the body of work. You'll notice at the top of the planner there is a suggestion that you spend 2 to 2.5 minutes on this first point, this point on the American government being hypocritical in this instance. If we look at the timing of the examples given, the extract analysis was 53 seconds long. The body of work was 26 seconds long, let's say about 1.5 minutes. So how do you fill up the rest of the 2 minutes? That is what this box is for, and we will give you an example of that now. So here is her further evidence. It is another quote from her original extract, Beaumont to Detroit, which I think is a wise move because it's right there in front of you. You have that extract with you in the I.O. So if you can find more evidence from that extract, that's really easy to include to show greater depth of analysis.
And this can further be seen in the quote where he says, "'Cause everything Hitler and Mussolini do, Negroes get the same from you." Again, he's drawing an analogy between two foreign leaders that were known to persecute their people. And here he's asking a question that, does me being African American really justify the violence that I have to endure on a daily basis?
Once you've gone to the work of establishing this fundamental authorial intention with global issue, you can probably find other examples in body of work or the extract to continue to show your depth of understanding. Looking at the planner the whole way through, you see that there is the introduction here, suggested less than 1 minute, and in this example, Langston Hughes, the text type is poetry, and Beaumont to Detroit is the extract. The body of work is his selected poems, and he's going to have 2 authorial intentions regarding the global issue. One is to show the hypocrisy of the U.S. government, and the other is to embolden African Americans in challenging racism. And extract 2, the non-literary, is Nelson Mandela speeches, and particularly the extract is Nelson Mandela's court statement 1962, or 40 lines of that, and his body of work is selected speeches, and he will invalidate any right to power for a racist government and unify South Africans in opposition to racism. So each of these points becomes a guiding main point about the global issue. So here's the point about hypocrisy, which we've focused on in the other videos, and then come down to here, and here she would talk about highlighting the rising intolerance in the African American community for the lack of equality, and this would be filled up with quotes from the extract, quote from body of the work, the analysis of each, and then more further evidence if you have it, and then move on to the second extract, your non-literary. Mandela is criticizing the government for upholding racist laws and practices, detail from the extract, analysis, detail from body of work, analysis, further evidence. Second point, Mandela seeks to unify a Black audience and empower them to fight for equality, and then the same analysis of body of work and detail from extract. And you have a very easy way to confidently move through the organization of your oral. Thanks for watching. We will wrap up how to organize the oral, tips on conclusion, and then final tips in the next video.